Hello, boys and girls. Today, I thought we could make homemade paint. I know a lot of you might not have paint at your house, and Mrs. Porto doesn't have paint at her house too. So let's try to make it together. You'll need some flour. You'll need some salt. You'll need some water. I already poured it in my cup. And you'll need to have some food coloring. You should have a nice spatula, a little big spoon so you can stir it all. And then I have little bowls right here with spoons for the different colors we can make. All right, well, let's get started. I already started with 1 cup of salt, so it's already in there. Now I'm gonna do right here, pouring in my cup of water. Now I need a cup of flour. And we'll mix it up. Try to get the sides with the spoon, just mix it up. Get those sides really good. Really good mixing. And now we can take a little bit and put it in each bowl for some colors. All right, now let's start mixing the colors. Pour a little yellow in this one. Mix it up, get a little bit more yellow. We got some yellow in this one. Put a little bit of red in this one. Get your other spoon, mix it up. We got red in that one. Pour a little bit of blue. And if you put less blue, it's going to be a lighter blue. More of the food coloring of the blue will be a darker blue. And we can put some green over here. Remember, we could also put yellow and blue together to make green if you want to. And remember what makes orange? Yellow and red make orange. Good, so now we have all our dishes ready. And I decided we're gonna paint with some Q-tips. Remember some days we paint with Q-tips? So we're gonna dip it in. I'm gonna try to make some zigzags, which are big Z's. Maybe I'll get some paint in the red and make some zigzags. Keep it going. Remember, the more food coloring, the more it'll show. Now I'm gonna get another one, get the blue, and make some more zigzag lines. Keep going back into it to get that colors. Let's get some green. If you wanted, boys and girls, you could use your finger if you wanted to make some things. Look at how I'm gonna make a smiley face. Let's see if we can make some green eyes. Oh, let's make a red mouth for the smiley face. What else do you think you want to make? We could make rainbows. We could make a flower. Let's get the green. And it kind of feels bumpy, and I think it does because of the salt is a little bumpy. Just keep dipping it back and forth. And you got a flower there. You can decide what you want to make. And these will store good if you cover them, your little bowls with maybe a baggie. You could cover your bowls with foil or saran wrap. Or if you have little containers, you can use them again. You can use them with a brush if you have a paintbrush at home. But today, we used our Q-tips and my fingers. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. I miss you. Mwah.